I will be visiting Canada soon as a beginner ESL student. It's important to learn how to talk about future plans using the future continuous tense. This tense is used when we want to express an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Let's look at how we can use the future continuous tense in different situations. One common use of the future continuous tense is to talk about our plans for the future. For example, I will be visiting Toronto next week. In this sentence, the action of visiting Toronto will be in progress at a specific time in the future, which is next week. We can also use the future continuous tense to talk about arrangements or appointments. For instance, she will be meeting her friend at the airport tomorrow. Here, the action of meeting her friend will be in progress at the specific time of tomorrow. Furthermore, we can use the future continuous tense to make predictions or assumptions about the future. For example, they will be enjoying the beautiful scenery in Banff National Park next month. In this case, we are predicting that they will be enjoying the scenery at a specific time in the future, which is next month. It's important to remember that when using the future continuous tense, we need to use the correct form of the verb, to be, followed by the base form of the main verb, ing. For example, I will be studying English grammar tomorrow. In conclusion, mastering the future continuous tense is essential for beginner ESL students to effectively communicate their future plans, arrangements, and predictions. By practicing using this tense in different contexts, you will become more confident in expressing your intentions for the future. So, get ready to pack your bags and say with confidence, I will be visiting Canada soon.